Hey everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel and the floor of Cody's bedroom. Not the most ideal filming location, not least because the camera is about 2 inches from my face, but it's the best lighting that I could muster. So here we are. So today I have another Try It Out Tuesday video for you guys, and I know it's been a minute since I've done a Try It Out Tuesday. So originally I was gonna make one every other week, but even with that, I just felt like I didn't want to go out and feel the need to buy new products just to make the video when I didn't really want them or need them in my life. It just seemed really wasteful to me. So we're not going down that route, and Try It Out Tuesday is gonna be a kind of as and when, ad hoc kind of thing. If I find a new product that I like the look of, hey, let's try it out. If not, no one's gonna lose any sleep. Right? So the product that I am trying out today, I am really excited about because I've never owned a product like this before, and it really, if it works, will fill a major need in my life. Let's talk about it. This is the Luxe the Face. I've got gum on this, ew. Now I got this last week on my flight home from Greece. They were selling it in the whole duty free, they come around with the trolley thing, and it is cruelty free. This just called to me when I was looking through that catalogue because I had just been to Greece. Like I said, I am hella tanned right now. I know I still look probably pasty white in most people's standards, but for me this is the most tanned I've ever been in my life, and my face underneath my makeup is a completely different shade. I always wear a factor 50 on my face, so even though my body is tanned, underneath my makeup I am still ghostly white in the face area. They don't match at all. I look like Frankenstein's monster, like someone has cut the head from a different body and sewn it on. They don't match up. I need something to deal with that situation because I don't like to wear makeup on the day-to-day, but right now it's kind of essential because otherwise I'll go out and terrify people with my mismatched head body situation. So this is a self-tan or a fake tan product, but the appeal of this one specifically is that it's meant to be very natural, and you actually mix it in with your moisturizer, so it's nothing too intense. It's not like you plaster it on your face and then who knows what color you'll wake up tomorrow. Although I guess who knows what color I'll wake up tomorrow. It could be a disaster. It says to mix 1 to 4 drops to your usual moisturizer, serum or face oil and apply to the face. Additional drops will increase a depth of color. Let's not roll with that. Let's stick maybe with 2 drops to start and see how it goes. And then wash hands thoroughly. Easy peasy. So I'm not going to apply this right now. I'm going to wait until right before I go to bed because that way it'll have time to sink in. And I'm going to mix it with my Revolution Skincare 0.2% retinol fine line correcting serum, which is vegan and cruelty free. This is pretty new to me too, actually. I've only used it a couple of times, but I'm liking it so far. So I guess I'm going to be adding 2 drops of this into this, mixing it all together, sticking it on my face and hoping for the best. The big question for me with this is, like, do I apply 2 drops of this into the palm of my hand and then apply this into my hand and then do this, or do I put the drops of this on my face like I usually do and then stick some of this on there too and then mix it all around? Like, how do I combine these things? The instructions are not very clear on that point. I guess we'll wait and see how that goes. And hopefully tomorrow I wake up glowy and wonderful and not orange. Okay, so I used the Luxe drops last night. I don't know if this is what I was supposed to do, but I just took a few drops of the Luxe, took a few drops of my serum and kind of mixed them together on my face. Definitely have a little bit more of a sun-kissed glow, if you can call it that, because I am still very pale, but it's nothing too intense. So I think what I'm going to do is just continue to use it for the rest of this week and see if it's the kind of thing that's more buildable. I'm not going to exceed the 4 drops a night because I feel like that would be really pushing my luck. But let's keep using it and see how it goes. Welcome back, friends. It's been a couple of days. I have returned home, as you can see, and I've given those Luxe Tan facial drops a chance so I can come back to you with like a final opinion. I decided to film with no makeup on today because this face right here is the result of the product that we're testing, so you can see the results for yourself. And also, I'm kind of feeling lazy today and I don't want to put makeup on, so there's that too. Okay, so let's go ahead and run through my thoughts on this product. So the first thing, which would be the obvious thing to say, is that my face is definitely more tanned. Like, I definitely have more of a matchy-matchy situation going on. Part of that is because my glorious tan, not tanness that I had is fading. I am getting paler, but between using the Luxe Tan drops on my face and my body getting paler, I have met in the middle and become one colour. I think I'm quite consistent all over now. I will also say that the process of this product is really easy, even for a tanning novice like myself. It's kind of foolproof because all you have to do is like mix it in with your regular moisturizer or serum, which was definitely less time consuming than having to put on a separate tanning product, and also meant there was less room for error, although I did have a mishap. Foolproof, but not quite Amy proof should be the tagline of this product, because I definitely got it on my wrists. Just got it here on the side of my hands, on both hands. I don't even know why it was on this area of my body because I'm applying it with my fingers. We can't blame the Luxe Tan for me being unable to perform simple functions. That's my own fault. But I will say that as far as my face is concerned, there was no kind of streaking, no blotchiness, no weird lines. It didn't go orange at all, and those are all big ticks. I did try applying the product two ways. The first time, like you saw, I just like mixed it straight onto my face and just like swirled it all around. The second time, which I think is when this disaster happened, is that I put it all into the palm of my hand and then kind of like doused my face with it. That method did not work so well for me because firstly, I dyed my hands orange. Secondly, it was just not as convenient to do. It was just kind of fiddly. And thirdly, I did wake up feeling like it was a little bit more blotchy's not the word. What do you call it when your fake tan goes like patchy? That's the word I'm looking for. It wasn't noticeably patchy, like, oh, she's got a bad fake tan, but when I looked up close, it just didn't look as smooth and glowy as when I applied it the first way. The only real complaint that I have is that the product seems, in my mind, to have accentuated my blotchiness. Now, I'm quite a blotchy person generally, and what I find is that some skincare products like moisturizers and serums can enhance that. It's not that they necessarily bring out more blotches or more blemishes, it's just that they really enhance the ones that are already there. It's a weird thing I have with my skin. I've noticed it with a bunch of different products, and I feel like this is one of them. I just feel like around my nose area, I've definitely got a little bit more redness, and it's always kind of red there anyway. It just feels like it's got a bit more of a pop now. It's like, hey, the redness is here, which, I mean, it's not the end of the world. I would still totally go out without makeup right now and feel like, hey, I'm fine, I'm tanned, I'm not streaky, I don't smell like fake tan, and yeah, I'm a little bit blotchy, but what's new? Overall, I really like this product, and there is definitely space for this to be incorporated into my nightly routine, which for me, as someone who has never been a fake tan person, and it just like freaks me out, the idea of fake tan is terrifying to me. So if you are a fake tan beginner and it's all very like, oh, what if it's orange? If that is you, this would be the ideal product for you, I would say, because I'm getting on with it and I'm not a fake tan kind of girl. So that was the longest run-on sentence of my life, and I can't remember where it started, but I enjoyed this product. I don't think I ever actually told you the price of this product, which is kind of a big deal. Like I said, I got it on my flight home from Greece, so you get it at kind of like a small discounted price, but I think it was £32. I think RRP is around £34, that kind of price mark, which is pricey. It's not on the cheaper side of things, but you are using a minimal amount of product, and you could probably get away with using it every other night as opposed to every night, and it would be fine. So a little will go a long way. I expect to have that bottle for a while, and it works. So I'm quite happy with that purchase. I feel like, yes, it was worth the money to me. And if you guys are looking for a very natural looking, easy to use false tan for your face, then I would say this is the one. But I hope you guys enjoyed reviewing this product with me. Go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys still into Try It Out Tuesdays? Is it something you still want to see? If so, let me know. Give me some ideas of things that I can try out and test for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do the things, and until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all so much because you are amazing, and I will see you all soon. Bye.